Right now is really an exciting time at North States.
Certainly have a good crew that we work with.
North States Industries was established in 1953 and over the years has grown to be the leader in the juvenile and pet gate industry. In 2000, this company became 100% owned by its employees. It's this ownership that I really believe has helped us to drive the quality of our products and the value we can bring to our customers. We bring more innovation to new products. The dedication that our employees bring to the North States manufacturing process is unmatched by any of our competitors. 85% of the products we make today are made right here in the USA and are sold throughout the world.
North States designs, manufactures, and distributes quality juvenile and pet products throughout the world. The culture of North States is one of involvement of everybody that works for the company. But the individual who works on the machine, the individual that works on the assembly line is critical to our company to make sure that we have products that are delivered that are quality and delivered on time, and we've got a lot of great people in our company.
You know, when you go see your stuff in the stores or you look at the shelf, you look and see what you made and how nice it looks, and then when you see it being used by, you know, people you don't even know, it makes you feel good.
We make sure that all of our products are certified to the Juvenile Products Manufacturers Association certification program, which is JPMA. We also make sure our products are safe for pets. We do that through the American Pet Association. Consumers know that they can trust our products to be safe, not only for their children, but their pets. And a lot of times you see both in the same home.
As far as the scope of our QA activities, we have got our assets deployed from raw materials through work in process through finished goods. It's always easiest if you start with good raw materials. So we watch those very closely. But really, most of our quality assurance activities focus on our people. Our operators are our front line of defense to ensure that anything that is missed is caught immediately.
What I love is that we make a product that protects the things that people hold nearest and dearest to their hearts, their children and their pets. We have the largest assortment of gates and play yards in the industry, and that happens because we continue to innovate. And we're always looking for ways to make our products more feature-rich, but yet affordable prices. Of course, safety is number one, and you'll see that in our rounded edges, in our double and triple locks. But we also take it to the next step and look at what's happening in the consumers' homes. Tastes have changed and styles have changed. It really helps us to understand what the consumer is looking for, and therefore we are able to continue to bring new products to the marketplace.
We have fabulous customers. They depend on us for innovative product. They know we have impeccable safety standards. I know I'm providing my customers with safe and quality products, and that's what they've come to expect from North States.
This U.S. manufacturing that we can bring to our customers really sets us apart from our competitors. We can control quality all the way through the process.
So we set our standards far beyond what we have to do to be JPMA certified. That is reflected not only in our own opinion, but also in the reviews we see in the marketplace. Consistently very high marks for high quality, high performance, high appearance standards. I think we've earned the right to take pride in that.
As the industry leader, we work to make it easy for parents to make their purchase decisions. The icon system on our packaging really helps you identify which is the right gate for you. You can go to our website where we have over a dozen videos, and if you still have a question, you can pick up the phone and call our consumer care area, and you'll get a real person.
Here at North States, we believe in our products, our employees are proud of our company, and we are excited about the future and the direction that this company is going. As a group, we will continue to focus on our core competencies, our value, our quality, our innovation, and the dedication we have to the products we bring to the marketplace.